Vinny.
Hey, Swag, how you doing?
Doing good, doing
You
good.
remember Tony, right?
Hey, Tony. So, you got the cash?
No, I got the cash. You got the horse.
Of course I got the horse.
What'd I tell you, huh?
Hey, where'd you get this horse?
It's the best horse in all of Europe.
Take off. Just don't slow him down. You know, we got a lot of money on this one.
Hey.
You know,
Boss wants to see you.
Here at Belmont on the gate.
Hey, Vince. How are you? How you been, all right?
I want you to meet Papa. Vinny Papa.
How you doing, all right?
Vinny took care of the horse.
Hey, look, there's the horse.
You made my father very happy.
Fastball off the mound, right into the half. Runs in second. Ventura now third on the outside as they round the far turn. Clicking off a quarter of 22 3/5 seconds. It's fastball leader. The favorite Ventura on the outside second as Kolopny rides the rails in third. 2.5 lengths back. DeSales in between horses. On the outside, Webb and Dixon.